Welcome to Brain Buffet's video series on Excel Expert Certification 2019 and 365. Over the course of 9 projects, you update data using advanced formulas and formatting, use analytics tools to forecast potential savings, and create charts and pivot tables to add visuals. The course project you will be using consists of a number of files. You can work along with me or wait until the end of a project and go back and try the skills. My name is Terri Blackwell, and I'm a certified Microsoft specialist who has been using the Microsoft suite of packages for more than 20 years. I know you're ready to jump into your Excel expert projects, so let's go ahead and get started.